how can I use affirmations to build trust and intimacy? This is a question that has been asked a lot. First, let's look at how most people use affirmations. They usually use affirmations to change themselves. For example, if you don't like your body image, you might say to yourself, "I love my body." If you're feeling anxious, you might say to yourself, "I am calm and relaxed." When you set intentions, you're basically telling the universe what you want. So if there's something that you really want, whether it's a new job, a new relationship, or just a new mindset, take some time each day to focus on that intention. Trust and intimacy are essential for healthy relationships. Without them, we can't really connect with others on a deep level or feel safe in our relationships. When we repeat an affirmation over and over again, it helps to program our subconscious mind to think in a certain way. When we realize that we are responsible for our own happiness and well, we can start making changes in our lives to create the relationships that we want. This may mean setting boundaries with toxic people in our lives, or making an effort to connect with people who share our values. Whatever it is, affirmations can help us get started on the journey towards creating the loving and intimate relationships that we desire. So if we want to build trust and intimacy in our relationships, we can start by programming our minds to believe that we are worthy of love and that we can trust others. One thing that is helpful is to be honest and open with the people in your life. When you are honest and open, you show others that you trust them and that you are willing to be vulnerable with them. Another thing that you can do is to make an effort to understand other people's perspectives. When you make an effort to see things from their point of view, you show them that you care about them and that you value their opinion. Finally, remember that building trust and intimacy takes time. Don't expect to build deep relationships overnight. Be patient and consistent in your efforts, and you will see results over time. I also encourage you to experiment with different affirmations and to find the ones that resonate with you the most. The most important thing is that you choose affirmations that feel good to say and that make you feel positive about yourself and your relationships. I am worthy of love, and I choose to love myself. And intimacy with others by reminding you that you are open to receiving love from them. It also helps you to be vulnerable and honest in your relationships. It allows us to feel connected to others, to be vulnerable without fear of judgment, and to experience the full range of human emotions. Affirmations are a powerful tool for building trust and intimacy, because they help us to become more aware of our thoughts and feelings, to challenge our negative beliefs, and to take responsibility for our own actions. By using positive affirmations on a daily basis, you can create a positive and loving relationship with yourself and others. And that is the foundation for creating a life that you are excited about. When you affirm this statement, you communicate to the universe that you are ready and willing to receive love, and that you trust others to treat you with care. This opens the door for deeper connections and more meaningful relationships. This affirmation can help you build trust and intimacy with yourself by reminding you that you are worthy of love and that you deserve to be loved. It also encourages you to be honest with yourself about your needs and desires. By affirming this statement, you send a message to your subconscious mind that you are deserving of love and that you can trust yourself to make choices that are in your best interest. We can also use affirmations to challenge our negative beliefs about ourselves and others. For example, if we believe that we're not good enough or that others can't be trusted, we can start by challenging those beliefs and replacing them with more positive ones. This affirmation can help you build trust in the universe and in your relationships by reminding you that everything happens for a reason. It also helps you to release control and to surrender to the flow of life. By affirming this statement, you send the message to your subconscious mind that you have faith in the process and that you are confident that you will be guided to where you need to be. This can bring a sense of peace and tranquility to your relationships and allow you to fully embrace the present moment. When we do this, we open ourselves up to the possibility of having more meaningful relationships. So, how can affirmations help us build trust and intimacy? Visualize yourself already having what you want and feel the emotions associated with that. For example, if you want a new job, visualize yourself at your dream job and feel the satisfaction and happiness that that brings you. The more you focus on your intentions, the more likely they are to manifest in your life. Or if you're struggling with a difficult emotion, you might say to yourself, "I am happy." If you're struggling with a mental health condition, please reach out to a qualified mental health provider. Affirmations can be a helpful tool, but they're not a replacement for professional help. The problem with these kinds of affirmations is that they often come from a place of desperation or a need to fix something. So you feel bad about yourself, so you try to convince yourself that you feel good, but this doesn't really work very well because deep down, you know that's not true. You can't trick your subconscious mind into believing something that it doesn't believe. This is a wonderful question because affirmations are a very powerful way to transform your relationships. The key is to focus on the relationship, not on yourself. For example, if you're struggling with anxiety, instead of saying, "I am calm," say, "I am safe," or "I am relaxed." By focusing on the relationship between you and your anxiety, you allow yourself to be more honest about how you feel. And when you're honest with yourself, you're able to let go of the need to be perfect or to have everything together. When you let go of that need, you'll find that you're much more at peace with who you are. But in order to use them effectively, it's important to understand how they work and what they're not. Instead of focusing on all the things that you have to do or all the problems that you have to solve, take some time each day to focus on all the good things in your life. This can help you cultivate a more positive mindset and make you more open to the possibilities that are all around you. When you're open to the possibilities, you'll find that you're able to manifest the things that you want much more as. So instead of trying to use affirmations to change yourself, try using them to change your relationship with yourself. Another thing that you can do is to use affirmations to focus on the positive. The third thing that you can do is to use affirmations to set intentions. Now that we've talked about how affirmations work, let's talk about how to use them to build trust and intimacy. Well, first of all, affirmations can help us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. Finally, affirmations can help us take responsibility for our own actions. Let me give you some examples of affirmations that you can use to build trust and intimacy in your relationships. I am open to receiving love from others. This affirmation can help you build trust. I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. So those are just a few examples of affirmations that you can use to build trust and intimacy in your relationships. In addition to using affirmations, there are other things that you can do to build trust and intimacy in your relationships. Building trust and intimacy is essential for creating healthy and fulfilling relationships. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.